How's it, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a performance upgrade. So what we have here is the pedal commander. It's a throttle control system. Alright, you guys, so here's the control module. As you can see, it has eco mode, city mode, sport mode, and sport plus mode. And you can also control the intensity of the actual throttle response right here. So let's get this installed. Alright, you guys, so let's just test out this pedal commander. So let's just set up to sport mode. And let's go to +4. Alright, see how this goes. Instant, just like that. Good throttle response, you guys. So I gotta tell you guys, so never change mode while driving. From what I read, I throw on any kind of codes like the engine check light or anything at all. So every time you change mode, always come to a complete stop. Okay, let's change it to Sport Plus. Let's just crank it up to +1. Let's not go for +4 yet. Right. Ready to go. Shit. Very sensitive on Sport Plus right now. Just a little tap on the gas will just goes. Not even gonna bother to go on eco mode because I know I've seen on the videos on YouTube and they go fucking very slow. So let's just try city mode right now. And let's just go to +4. Alright, let's test this out. Alright you guys, so there you have it. So my thoughts on the pedal commander is it really works. It has a good throttle response because it had that lag before right off the line. Every time I take off it just has that lag right there and then it picks up. But if you guys own a 2008 through 2013 Mercedes-Benz C300 Sport, I highly recommend you guys getting this. It will fix that lag. So I know you guys are having that kind of problem. Alright you guys, if you guys want to purchase this product and try it for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.